Lyceum Centre is back for the 2025 April holidays, and this time with a brand new set of workshops catering for different years. First off, we have our Maths Through Games workshop. Students will learn and enrich their mathematic concepts through board games and other fun activities. It will culminate in some challenging and friendly competition to test their knowledge. This workshop will be divided into two levels covering different concepts, one for Year 3 and 4, and another for Year 5 and 6. Next, our Practical Pragmatics workshop. The workshop will give us some concrete form to this fuzzy concept called inferencing, which many students struggle with. Through various investigative activities, students will learn how our words and context interact with each other to create meaning and communication. Students will also learn skills in articulating one's needs in a respectful and constructive manner. This workshop is suitable for students in years 4 to 6, including twice exceptional students. Finally, high school students can participate in our creative writing workshop, where we will move creative writing outside the classroom and find inspiration from our natural environment. Students will build their analytical writing skills through explicit teaching on constructing a coherent peer thesis and analysis, and apply them in appreciating each other's creative work. This workshop is designed for students in Year 7 to 10 and is approved for the New South Wales Government Creative Kids voucher to be used. Our workshops are being held over Monday 14th and Tuesday 15th of April, each lasting one whole day from 9 AM to 3 PM, and it will be held at Epping Boys High School. Class sizes will be small to ensure all students get the attention and support they need. For more details and on how to enroll, please visit us at www.lyceumcentre.com. You can also email us at info@lyceumcentre.com or call us at 0403 592 608. If you still haven't, do subscribe to our Facebook page for information such as recommended resources like books and movies for gifted children and parents of gifted children. Hope to see you soon!